We have understood how to run a Java program. Why don't we take a closer look at the program that we've written? The Hello World application consists of two primary components. First, the Hello World class definition and the main method. Public class Hello World is the first line of our Java program. Every Java application must have at least one class definition that consists of the class keyword followed by the class name. And the code for each class appears between the opening and closing curly braces. Now, we will discuss the subject of classes in further detail in some of the upcoming lectures, but right now, it's just enough to know that every Java application begins with a class definition. Public static void main string args, or arguments. So this is our next line in the program. In the Java programming language, every application must contain a main method whose signature is, well, just like that. Also, we'll cover how to define a method in Java in the next upcoming lectures. And then finally, the line system.out.println hello world. So the print method prints the contents inside the double quotes into the console and inserts a new line after. So it uses the system class from the core library of Java. Now, don't worry if you don't get it at first. We're going to learn a whole lot more about classes and methods in the next lectures.